You look at the face, you don't expect, you see the body, and you're like, yeah, okay, makes sense. Makes sense.
Hey, what are they seeing there?
He's, yeah,
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot.
All right, what's up? Hey, we're here at X3 Miami. I'm here with.
Lil Baby MJ.
Hey, what's up? So you interviewed me yesterday. That was amazing.
I did. You were my first interview.
I was your first.
You were.
I took your interview virginity.
You did.
I
And
feel
you're
so-
taking mine tonight as well. Hey.
Oh, tell me you had a good time. Shit.
Yeah.
So, tell me, what would you do with an extra 2 hours in your day?
Oh, that's a good question. Maybe explore like a hobby I haven't tried.
Like what?
I don't know. Shark diving.
Shark
I
dive-
want to do something crazy.
Oh, that's pretty fire.
Or, I don't know, tennis. I really want to get into
Tennis.
tennis. Very,
I
very
used to love
range.
tennis. Oh, that's a good range. I've done both.
Okay.
And in Atlanta, they have you can hop in the tanks with sharks
Oh, okay.
in
No.
the aquarium.
I've done it with like lemon sharks, but I want to be like down in the ocean, like. Yeah, I've watched too many Netflix movies. I think I'm like, nah, I would survive this. I'm
Yeah,
good.
you'd be good. You survive. I'm not worried about it. And what do your fans look forward to when they're chatting with you and talking? What experience, what things do they talk about?
A safe place for their fantasies. It's really hard to believe that like I'm on that platform sometimes because of how I'm perceived like online versus then you get to my office, you're like, oh, like this girl does it all. You look at the face, you don't expect, you see the body, and you're like, yeah, okay, makes sense. Makes sense.
No way. What are they seeing there?
G or just crazy.
Ever G?
I've never done that. Although it's a high request. It's a high request.
That's a high request.
Yeah, they want to see me in that area. I love to perform. I'm quite the performer. I love it. I think like if you're gonna watch my video, like even if it's your first one, you need to be like fully enveloped in it, and I want you to like leave feeling good about yourself. Like no sexual kink should be shamed. You know how post-nut clarity hits hard most of the time. Most of the time. So I'm like, you know what? You better feel good, or I'll make you feel good again. Like I believe in working on that, and I think that's why I've had a good rep so far with my subscribers.
Amazing. I believe it.
Put a lot of effort into it.
I believe it. That's good. And the reason I'm asking about the hours and what you message is because I'm here with super creators today. And
I heard of them from the other day. Yeah, you told me about them.
They saved you hours, saved creators hours throughout the day. So
Interesting. I'll have to check that out. I'm not big on platforms, but I like a good brand. So from what I heard from you, I think it's worth checking out.
Thank you. Appreciate
You're
it.
welcome. Well, thank you for putting me on.
Oh, yeah. I'll put you on whenever I can. Where do you want people to find you?
Lil Baby MJ, XO on most platforms, or just MJ. And tonight, as a nominee,
Yes. Hopefully you win.
hopefully I win. Hopefully. If not, maybe next year.
Definitely, definitely. And I'm Javi Mack here with Super Creators. Thanks for watching.
Javi!